What is up, everybody? Welcome into this new video. If you want to improve with your automation tools to help your eBay dropshipping store improve a little bit more, you are actually in the right place. I'm going to be showing you what we can do in order to use these tools, so we don't have to yes, we have to do this like a few things here, but you don't have to do a lot. Speaking about some automation tools that can be helping you to add those into eBay. So basically, if you are making dropshipping, you need to choose a provider, a dropshipper supplier that can be helping you to input to your actual stuff. And then what you want to do is just to actually do, well, just figure out what kind of item you're going to be selling, making the fulfillment, and if you have to make like some payment or you have to make a refund, whatever. So you want to actually make some automations into eBay in order to, let's say, to gain a little bit more time and to have more time to do what you must be doing if you are making dropshipping, and that would be the actual product research. So with that being said, there are many ways to do this. I mean, it's just to try to find an item that you can just want to sell into eBay. So what I want to do is to actually open a new tab. I want to go for ebay.com, and here, alright, so I'm gonna just delete this because this actually does not exist, like that. And then I'll open a new tab and I'm going to look for Walmart. So here into the Walmart, what I want to look for is an item that has been listed here and has been listed into eBay as well. That's speaking about the dropshipping. So let's say, for example, that I want to look for, I don't know, maybe this option, this athletic works, and I want to copy and paste this item in here. Search for anything, hit into search, and I'm going to scroll a little bit down and see if I can find the item here, but let's say like listed as it was. So I'm going to scroll a little bit up like this, hockey table, like that, mini. So if I select my item, I'm gonna look for something that is actually new. So if I select this item and I look for something else to actually like just figure it out, this one has been sold into eBay in something else. Let's say, for example, this one is 200 MXN, the other one is 499, but this is not the same item, but this one is like almost the same thing. But let's just assume that this is almost like the same. So speaking about it almost like the same, this is for 600 and this one is 400. So that means they're making drop shipping. So if I want to do exactly the same thing, I mean, I'm pretty sure that the guy who did this, or the other places where you want to do that, is go into sell, and once you hit into sell, what you want to do is to go into create a listing. I don't know, maybe a single listing. And here you want to start by copy pasting all the information. So I'm gonna just put mini hockey table, and can you be more specific? Mini air hockey table, like this. We run out of suggestions, get into look for that and try to look for some accurate stuff that you can sell. For example, this one, portable mini air hockey table, top gamer, battery operated, powered. So if you take a look into both of them, there are like two similar. So I'm pretty sure that there is it's the same stuff. So I'm gonna hit into new, continue to listing, and all the stuff that you know how to do that already is inside here into the actual eBay. So there's a way that we can do this in an automated version, yes, but there are a few things that they can cover. I'm going to go into the other platform. This one is called the AutoDS, and this one is going to be helping us to do exactly what I'm just doing here, but we don't have to do anything but just copy paste the URL of the item that you want to sell into eBay. So for example, what I want to do, of course, is to hit into my store. I'm going to delete this store and I'm going to add a new store, and I want to choose eBay store, hit continue, and here you want to choose eBay target, you want to choose United States, and hit into connect your store. Now in my case, I don't have my store added, active yet, but you just have to do this in a very easy way. Hit into sign in, choose your account. I'm using Google. Hit into OK, and just like that, your account should be used. Just simply hit into agree, and then you're good to go. So now what you want to do is to look for the URL of the item that you want to sell. So I'm going to hit into Walmart, and here into Walmart, what I want to do is to try to look for Walmart of the United States, like this, and I want to look for mini hockey table, which is, I'm pretty sure it can be a building here. Alright, so here is $55. So what I want to do is to use this. I'm going to use the another one because I think this one is not so good. Alright, so this one looks a little bit more better, right? So I'm going to just use this URL, go back into AutoDS, and I want to look for ships to, ships from, add product, single product. I'm gonna copy paste the URL. Uploading product, it would take a few minutes. You can check the other draft. And just like that, boom, here is my product already been added. So I can just start to edit the title, the category, the tax, the payment policy, the country location, the brand, the default zip code, shipping policies, the description, the variants, everything is in here. So this is why you want to use AutoDS to help you to customize, to automate your stuff, to do this a little bit more quick enough. And what's going to be helping us a lot is that, for example, let's say that you are selling this item for, I don't know, maybe I'm going to delete this. You are selling this item for $60 because you use the price that appears into Walmart, and you want to pay for the shipping process, and you want to pay for the fees and all that. But let's say that one day Walmart is now selling this item with more than $45. So that means that you need to manually update this into your store, into eBay, otherwise you're going to be losing money. So this is why AutoDS can be helping us to constantly update this item, since we are using the same URL of the item. So it's this one says $35, $36. You want to have more updating here into the product, so it's not going to be appearing like this one is cost of $36. It's going to be appearing the real price in the real time, so you're not going to be losing money. So after that, go into saved and import. Now once again, in my case, I need to update this. As you can see, I have this as a draft, but I need to update my eBay account in order to just accept stuff and start to list here. But that's the way of how we can improve our automation data into eBay, and we don't have to do this manual stuff of the CG dropshipping and all that. I mean, yes, you can do that, but I think like it's going to be really great to have the AutoDS. And the important part, guys, is that this one has a payment, a plan available, so you might want to take a look into the 30 days free trial if you do want to check it out. This one is not valuable for you. So with that being said, we've reached to the end of the video. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you do want to see more tools that can be helping you to improve your dropshipping store, whether you are into eBay or somewhere else. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you soon.